Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Tony's phone collection. It's Anthony. We got another Samsung phone. It's SPH-A560. So I'll unbox this one. It's with Earthlink wireless. Here's your quick start guide, your service agreement for the carrier, the phone user guide. In the box we have the Samsung charger. It's the same one the A840 uses. I have taken the battery out and opened it to charge it with the other A560 I have. So it is a fully charged battery. It's brand new. The phone itself has never been opened. It's brand new. So this will be the first boot this phone has ever had as well. On the rear you got your rear speaker. Right side nothing. The left side you have your 2.5mm headphone jack. Surprised that's not really sticky actually. Volume keys. On the front you got your LED indicator, your Earthlink wireless, and your Samsung logo. Yeah, look at that. The good old cell phone rubber melted over the years. Had to clean that up. So I do also have the Sprint version. It has a bad battery though. It is fully functional. Let's see how the little rubber things come out of there. They melt over the years or deteriorate. I've already cleaned this one up before. I'll have to clean this one. Alright. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good one.